Hey guys, it's me, Dodong Dave, and welcome to another episode of Dodong Dave! Kita tanan na nakaagi og different fears and odd situations in life, like mga spiders, cockroaches, rats, our parents, pero labi na sa tanan, love. Joke. Di naman siguro kung mahagyo kong love. Anyways, here are the 5 different fears and odd situations that we have passed in life. Number 1, the blanket that made us feel safe.
Damgong siguro ko.
Number 2, when the lights are off. Number 3, washing your face. Number 4, driving alone at night.
Nasaan ako imagination?
Number 5, the Frigidaire light.
Mapaong magyukahan ni, no?
And that's it for this episode. Most if not all of us nakaagi na siguro ani tanan, no? Kuya, gini how our mind works. Usay, dili mo pungan. Murag ika. Joke. Tag your friends nga tanaw gini mo sure nga nakaagi ani tanan. Please like and share this video with your friends, and don't forget to like my Facebook page and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Once again, this is Dodong Dave signing out. See ya!